So today I'm heading you along with me to one of the most providing best kept secret, the Kulfla Basakan. Hi, my name is Ben and join me as I explore Europe, one city, one journey, one story at a time. So before I continue this video, please like, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram. You can leave a message to me personally if you want me to improve my videos or you have a suggestion that I can visit. I mean, a place that I can visit. Thank you. So let's begin. So from the bus station of from the train station of Garmisch Partingkarche, from there you can hop in for one bus ride away. The bus lane is 326 heading toward to Ubirao. About 15 and 20 minutes later, you hop off to the Farchant Mindbound. From the bus station, it's a quick 10 minutes walk to the trailhead, and that's it, where you can real adventure starts. Personally, my experience is not that hard, but a little bit more like I felt like I'm safe while walking from this pathway. I mean trailhead, and as you can see, marami mga pamilya na naglalakad. There's a lot of family, and this is a family friendly place. Also, you can see some people having their dogs walking around together with them, heading to the waterfalls, and that's really felt like family friendly place. And I'm so happy that I can able to visit this place for myself and see what was it and experience everything. So as I walk in here, I can see a lot of bench that you can sit when you're tired. You can drink water for a little bit and then continue your journey to the top of the mountain so you can see the waterfalls. The best thing about it is really safe trail. So, nung time na pumunta ako niyan is a little bit dark. Siguro kasi uulan siya. Parang trip niya talaga umulan eh. I can feel that the rain is coming because the smell of the wind is different from sunny season. I don't know. This is a weird thing about me. I know when it's raining, when the rain will come. So, it's weird, but it's a talent, you know. The hike itself takes about an hour. Nothing too intense, but enough to get your legs moving and your heart pumping. Along the way, you pass through the Wander Leibniz Fund and a forest trail that a little nature stops to make you walk and feel like more just exercise. And the payoff as you get closer, you can start hitting it before you can see it. The roar of the water, the roar of the water, the roar, crashing down to 270 meters of rocks, and that's right, one of the highest waterfalls in the German. And most people have never ever heard of it. Yeah, actually, kailangan mo pa sa search. I mean, the way I find it is you need to search it for yourself in the Google, in YouTube, in Google, in Google. This waterfall is not really familiar in YouTube. I don't know why. I I find few, but this is a beautiful place to visit. So hindi siya masyadong na-expose sa social media siguro. Um, Garmisch, Garmisch, I hate this. I hate this pronunciation. Garmisch Partenkirchen has a lot of hiking trails. Siguro hindi na siya nabilang. Pero personally as a Filipino, sobrang ganda niya. Unlike sa tawag dun, how can I explain this? Your experience of hiking in the Philippines is really different here in Germany. Hiking in the Philippines, you need someone to guide you. The person who familiar, what you call tour guide. The person is supposed to be familiar to the place or to the mountains that you're going to travel. Here, you don't need anyone to help you. You just need to read things, and all of everything is here. So yeah, as you can see, may mga roadmap na sila. Every stop, you can see some sign kung nasa na kayo. So, you don't have to be worried if nawawala na kayo or hindi. Hindi pa. Kasi, sobrang isang line lang talaga siya. Nasa sayo na lang. Kung pumunta ka dun sa gilid-gilid, Katangahan mo na yun. Hindi, joke lang. Sabi dito, before heading back down, there's one more thing you have to try. A cave basin is an ice-cold stream pool right near to the falls. Dip your feet in, feel the stock of the cold water is honestly perfect recess after the climb. Ay, ginawa ko to! I made this after. I really tried this personally to myself and ayun. Mamaya, makikita niya sa video. Ito ni, na-feel ko malapit na ako sa video. Sa video.
Wow!
I can feel na malapit na ako sa waterfall. So, sobrang ganda ng view. Sobrang breathtaking yung ambience. Para sa akin. Wala, nakaka-ignorante lang. Kasi isipin mo sa buong pamilya, ikaw lang yung nakakapunta sa ganito na lugar. I mean, lahat naman tayo nakakapunta. May mga chance na makapunta tayo sa mga falls. Pero, ibang kaso na tayo. Germany na to. It's really different level. Malaking bagay sa akin na-achieve ko tong bagay na to. Bira lang taas sa atin nakakapunta. I mean, nagkakaroon ng chance makapunta ng ibang bansa. Nagagawa pa natin yung gusto natin. So, I felt lucky enough to have this work-life balance. Diba? Sa Pinas, di ko magagawa tayo. It's either wala akong jobless, it's either I'm jobless, or I think Philippines is so hard. You can only have one day off. But not that day off. Sometimes they still going to call you during your day off. Bira lang yung company sa Philippines na nagbibigyan 2 days off once a week. Buong work experience ko dun, isang araw lang talaga yung day off ko. Wala, shinare ko lang sa inyo habang nag-hike. As you can see, the waterfalls is there, but that's not the real waterfalls. Pupunta tayo sa taas. Pinakang taas. So the top, make it drop like a web this. So I'm curious about the view here on this side, so I went there. Okay. And I was saying, I will never fall in love again until wala lang, I just want to sing. So to share my voice with you guys. Whether you visit in summer when everything is green and mossy, or in winter when the whole thing is freeze into the insane ice sculpture. Bulol. This place changed completely different or when you go. So I want to try this. I really want to try this. I really want to visit this during winter. Let's see if I can handle the coldness. From the land of tropical countries, so it's hard for me to travel when it's cold. So ngayon akong this summer, nagbabawi tayo. Bawi. Nasa paanan na ako ng waterfalls. So, nafe-feel ko isang hike na lang. Konting lakad na lang. Pilay na ako. Na-activate na yung gout ko nung time na yan eh. So, medyo stiff na yung walking trail. Medyo pa-hardcore na yung lakaran. So, sabi ko, okay. Nung moment na to, okay. Relax. You're already here. You need to walk to end this journey. You need to walk to the top. Top of the world. Wala, I just wanted to sing. So please appreciate my voice because no one can appreciate it than you. Just kidding. And as you can see, like what I said, that's the intimidating part for me because I saw some little kids, a toddler walking through the falls without even sweating. So okay, they can do it. I can do it too. That's what I'm thinking that time. I want to go to the top. I want to visit the top. I want to know what's in there. I want to know how it's look like when you're in the top. Everyone wants it to the top. And from this video, I want to say thank you for everyone watching my vlog, and I hope you please recommend my channel, and I will continue uploading until everyone will know. So thank you for watching, and I hope we can see each other for my next video, for the last and next video of this adventure. Join me as nabubulol na ako eh. Join me as I explore Europe, one city, one journey, one story at a time. Subscribe to my channel, please. And follow for more. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you, everyone.